How to transfer money from National Bank of Canada to another bank. Let's get started. First, launch your National Bank of Canada app and make sure you have already logged into your account. Once you are logged in, you will land to the home page. Now at the bottom, you're going to find different options. Navigate to the option of transfers, click on it. Now go ahead and click on the option of send money. Now navigate to this option, select an account. Now select the account from which you want to send the amount. After you select your account, now select the recipient. Once you are done selecting the recipient to whom you want to send the money, type in the amount that you want to send. Also, you can type in additional message, and once you fill this, click on continue. Now you can check these details and scroll all the way down and click on send. So this way you can easily transfer money from National Bank of Canada to another bank. Well, that's a wrap for this video. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.